Welcome you back again to second session of the 2026 autumn graduations. Hashtag graduation 20. VUT graduations 2026. We're saying yes to 60th generation of graduates, and we are still making our way. So let's just go check out what's happening. And yeah, we are beginning with our second session. We're still doing the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. We are seeing people are about to proceed to enter within the hall. We are going to step inside Desmond Tutu Hall to just get a brief moment with maybe some of the parents and graduates themselves. So we would like to just see and just experience this celebration with them. Once again, we are doing our thing, so follow me. Don't you forget, we are right there live on our YouTube, and also catch us on our TikTok. Yeah, we are seeing that people are already seated. We are seeing graduates. We are seeing our parents. And yeah, guys, VUT graduations 2026. We're saying yes to the 60th generation of our graduates. We're also celebrating 60 years of academic excellence. And on my left, I'm seeing, our parent. She's looking so gorgeous. How are you this, afternoon, Ma?
Good afternoon, everyone. Here, I'm so very, very, very happy. I don't have any words to say. I'm very, very, very happy. I'm so proud with my son. He make me proud to be here today. I didn't expect this day, but today, yeah, it's happening.
And as you have it, she is excited. She's even proud. And we are saying yes to support and all the people that are here in honor to celebrate everyone else, to just witness our graduates as they step up to the stage and just enjoy the moment. And what has been some of the challenges? What have been the highlights with you and your kid? And could you tell us who your graduate is?
There were so many challenges, but yeah, like I said, I don't have any words to say, but I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. I'm very, very, very happy.
Thank you so much, Ma. And of course, let's move over this side. Let me just peep through and see who is the lucky one who will be holding this mic. But nonetheless, we are excited. We are happy that we are seeing beautiful faces right now from our audience, from our graduates, the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. So let's see who we can talk to. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful witnessing the regalia. We're also seeing people who are very honorable right here in the front. We're seeing the regalia and eredi and all these other, regalias that we are seeing. Okay. Good afternoon, lady. How are you and what is your name?
My name is Nompumelelo. Nompumelelo.
Hi, Nompumelelo. I'm loving even the way you're dressed this afternoon. Yes, girl, we see you doing your thing. And could you just tell us tell us more on how you're feeling at this very moment?
I feel excited but emotional at the same time because I'm finally here. Oh my God.
You're finally here. You finally made it. Do you remember that song by, I think it's like that, Good Morning, Mr. Kanye West? So to all my graduates that are here, I'm commemorating that song to you. Like, that's our theme song for, this afternoon. I don't know, if you could give me a song that best describes this moment, which song would you pick? I just gave you the Kanye West one. Could you please give me a song? Okay, you can just give us that too.
God Did by DJ Khaled and also Headlines by Drake.
Okay, headlines. Yes. And once again, congratulations to our graduates. Congratulations to everyone that's here. And let us, enjoy and just be in the moment of where we are celebrating you, because this is indeed your day. Okay, let's see. We also would like to head in and just check out our choir before they get here to do their thing. So let's just do our thing. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm also seeing a familiar face here. Yes, yes. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Yeah, guys, let's have a chat. I'm loving the way you are right now. I'm loving how formulated everyone is. So let's just get, the moments happening. And guys, I said I'm seeing a familiar face, but could she just introduce herself and just take us through what is the most exciting thing to be here as she does her thing with the choir moment?
Hi, Lebu, and hi, the viewers at home. I am Kia Lokolwani. Like Lebu said, I am a familiar face. I am actually from VTFM. I was a news reader there until God decided otherwise. So we are here at VT graduations from Monday until next week, Friday, celebrating graduates, of course, for completing their course after struggling and studying for like 3 years or even more. Even this morning, I was laughing with one of our chorister that completed his course for 7 years, which happens actually. But it's a beautiful experience. I mean, why not? We are just joyful and grateful that we get a chance to celebrate people for completing their completions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kia. And let's also get a gentleman. Let's see. Let's see who is the lucky gent that's going to be holding this mic. Okay, let's see. Okay, gentleman here on the far right. Oh, yeah. Is it my right? Okay, but you know what? How are you this very moment, and what are you most excited for?
I'm good. The most thing I'm excited for is, okay. My name is Kunalindo Gutle. I'm a second year student here at Vaal University of Technology doing tourism management. What excites me about this choir is the love that we show to each other, the dedication, and the songs that we sing in the choir. Yeah, the dedication.
Thank you so much. And if you would say one thing that best describes this day, what would be that, one word?
Family.
Family. Oh my gosh, you heard it for yourself. And we just wanted to just check in with our choir because you know how they do it. They give us all these. What would like the celebrations be without them? Right? So we must, give flowers, give credit where it's due. Without them, we wouldn't be here to celebrate. No? So we are just cruising through to see through campus what's happening before they get into them actually beginning with the choir moment. So let's just go and see. Maybe we can go downstairs to just go through the moments. Okay, guys, I'm looking for another parent because, guys, we're also big on support. So let's get another parent that will share their journey, share in celebration, share in the importance of us celebrating a graduation. So let's see if we can get. Okay. Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine. Who am I talking to?
I'm speaking Zulu. Hey, Botini.
Who am I talking? Oh, ngukuma nobani.
Kuruma no Mr. Mahlombe.
Okay, Mr. Mahlobo, and obviously Mr. Mahlobo is here to support, her son or daughter. Is it a son or daughter?
This is my son.
Who is he? And what would you like to say to him at this very moment? Ungathini ngui?
Ngathi ngimfisela okuhle impilo ende aqhubekele phambili.
Thank you so much. There you have it. We also getting, talks and just experiences and reactions from also the parents and even the students. So we're still doing our thing. It's the VUT 2026 graduations, 2026 autumn, and we are going to be starting off with our second session already, or it's just begun at 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock. So we're about to go back to, of course, our studio side to continue to do what we do best. Guys, we are here to celebrate. We are here to honor the victories that have, transpired right here on VUT. Yes to 60th generation. Yes to success. And guys, what you have to know is that this is only the beginning of your journey. This is the beginning. You have put in the work. You have put in the sleepless nights. So we're just proceeding with our second session. So, yeah. So guys, we're going to be heading back into studio, and we will be getting over, other moments, maybe here and there, get to speak to other people and have an interview with them. So we're ending here, and then we will continue further. Let's go to the studio.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please rise as the procession joins the hall?
Ladies and gentlemen, by the virtues of the powers vested in me as the Vice Chancellor and Principal, I hereby declare that this congregation of the Vaal University of Technology is duly constituted for the diplomas and degrees to be conferred to those students whose names appeared on the program. I now request that you remain standing for the singing of the national anthem and the national prayer.
Israel mitanda Ladies and gentlemen, as a congregation, you are invited to observe a moment as we observe a prayer before we commence with the official program. Dear Almighty, the Omniscient One, we come before you all with all humility to serve you and your people. Please guide us in everything that we say and everything that we do. Bless each and every one of us, and bless our institution and our country. Inspire us to strive for that which is good and not to be self-seeking and serve our own interest. But let everything be done to your glory. Use us as your vessels of honor so that the fruit of our labor may endure for peace and goodwill towards all mankind. We ask this in your name. Amen. Thank you. You may be seated now, please. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of the Vaal University of Technology at the Vanderbilt Park campus. Madam Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to welcome you as a congregation gathered here today to witness and celebrate the achievements of our students at the Vaal University of Technology on this momentous occasion. A special word of welcome to our distinguished guests, members of staff, families, and friends. To all diplomants and graduates, welcome to this long-awaited day. May it be everything that you hoped for. Madam Vice Chancellor, it's my honor to present to you candidates of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology of the Vaal University of Technology, whose names appear on the program for the receiving of the diplomas and degrees. Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, cum laude. Wait. CCOG. Baloi N. Hani N. Shivunga L.T. Lamini M.X. Dubazani S.G. Wait, come back. Gomedi M.M. Kaunda S. Kangyaho T.D. Kobeka T.G. Letebele S.R. Letono R.E. Madzivhi L.L. Matlangu T.E.M. Matlobo Goani T.I. Makoshi T.P. Manyama E. Thank you. Mashatani F. Mashego C. Masuluki S. C. Mati D.B. Machlala E.L. Mazibi C.M. Klanga N.P. Mutlatlo K.K. Mukhalaka K. Mokotong L.D. Mpoti M.M. Ntabini J. Mtombeni N.G. Ntombeni VA. Ndlovu TL. Ngobeni SM. Kabide T. Nkunyani ME. Parker Z. Rantako M. Sekosana TG. Shabango P. Skosana TL. Thank you. Twala SD. Habedi SP. Tlamama T. Thank you. Sotetsi R. Toge SKK. National Diploma Mechanical Engineering. Mba Ono CV. Advanced Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Chaoki BV. Lamini JKM. Onseka D. Kabamba KS. Katlani TP. Como KM. Letsela M. Lobangi MV. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please come back. Thank you. Thank you. Mapocha MM. Mabuza ZMA. Machete LB. Makasela TS. Malachi MK. Mamafa KW. Mamela Sijidi DEK. Masetle, sorry. Masetle RR. Thank you. Masha Maiti KI. Mashele E. Masindi MJ. Maswangani H. Matebula L. Mitsing S.E. Mlambo M.J. Mbushi T. Mutlala K. Mkwape T. Moraki M. Moroledi D.K. Mashuana T.P. Mutaung P.J. Mtombeni SV. Thank you. Thank you. Mondiadizwa RP. Myotombo BC. Ndebele PC. Nduopada RC. Ngombeni BL. Ngwenya AXK. Pilusa HB. Tombela T. Pasha L. Rabambi O.D. Thank you. Rafat Lima M.J. Ramutle O.T. Ransul, sorry. Thank you. That's mechanical engineering for you. Ransulasi B.E. Sekhololo K. Sema E.L. Thank you. Thank you. Simoli A.M. Shongwe A. Taylor A.L. Tlatsa M.M. Chabalala L. Vilakazi L. Wampanga D. Postgraduate diploma in mechanical engineering. Mulumba A.N. cum laude. Nsenga T. cum laude. Abubakar G.K. Thank you. Thank you. Kasongo GD. Mabunda M. Thank you. Makhali AM. Malongani BK. Mayombo DJ. Meniazzo K. Muambaradza L. Nari SN. Nkalanga SE. Thank you. Tobeha L. Madam Vice Chancellor, I now have the privilege to request you to confer the following master's degree. Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. Dissertation titled Dynamic Analysis of Coupled Shaft Bearing System when an open crack in the inner okay, my apology. Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. Dissertation titled Ball Bearing Outer Race Spall Defect Localization using Vibration Analysis. Under the promotion of Professor Alogongo, Professor Chomini, and Mr. Sazinando. Likalakala T.S. Cum laude. Likalakala T.S. Cum laude. Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, dissertation titled Optimization of Integrated Membrane Feed Stream to Improve Membrane Performance During Oil-Water Separation. Under the supervision of Professor Sop, Professor Alogongo, and Professor Tenjin. Hombani S. Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, dissertation titled Investigation of Fuel Properties and Engine Performance of Ternary Blends of Petroleum Diesel, Distilled Waste Engine Oil, and Biodiesel from Waste Cooking Oil, under the supervision of Professor Rutu, Prof. Alogongu, and Mr. Nutranabo. Cape Courier, DK. Madam Vice Chancellor, I now have the privilege to request you to confer the following doctoral degrees. With a thesis titled Modeling Oscillating Butterfly Valve Fluid Interaction in a Pipe System Mounted on Excited Elastic Foundation, supervised by Professor Alogongu and Professor Chomeni. Sozinando Desejo Philipson. In this study, the behavior of a butterfly valve inside a pipeline was investigated, focusing on how it responds when both fluid flow and external vibrations act on it at the same time. This type of interaction between moving fluid and its structural vibration is complex and not well understood, especially when the pipeline is mounted on a flexible elastic support. To address this, a combined analytic, computational, and experimental approach was developed. A mathematical model was first created to describe how the valve and pipe system vibrates while fluid flows through it. Computer simulations were then used to identify the natural vibration frequencies of the system and determine which directions are most sensitive to vibration. It was found that vibration is strongest in one main direction, meaning the system is more likely to experience resonance and possible damage when excited at certain frequencies. Advanced computational methods were also used to simulate fluid flow through valve. At smaller valve openings, very high flow speeds, strong turbulence, and swirling flow patterns were observed. These conditions created higher forces on the valve and increased vibration. As the valve opening increased, flow became smoother, pressure dropped significantly, and vibration effects were reduced. A machine learning approach was applied to improve prediction accuracy, showing excellent agreement with the mathematical model developed. Additional signal processing techniques were used to analyze complex vibration patterns, revealing strong nonlinear behavior when the valve was only partially open. Experimental tests confirmed the findings. It was observed that vibration levels were highest when the valve was slightly open and decreased as the valve opened further. This is because smaller openings create unstable flow conditions such as flow separations and vortex formation, which increase vibration. At larger openings, flow becomes more stable, resistance decreases, and the system operates more smoothly. Overall, it was demonstrated in this study that the interaction between fluid flow and structural vibration plays a critical role in the performance and stability of valve pipe systems. The findings provide important insights for the design and operation of pipelines, helping to reduce vibration-related damage and improve system reliability in industrial applications. Thank you. The following doctoral degree with the thesis and defended under the Doctor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, PhD in Mechanical Engineering, thesis entitled Fabrication, Optimization, Modeling, and Simulation of a Novel Beta-Cylon Ceramic Insert Using Ceramic Plasma Sintering for Machining of Hard-to-Cut Materials. The study was supervised by Professor Masu and Professor Alogongo. Lahabadira Isaac. Titanium and other hard materials are widely used in industry because of their excellent strength and durability, but they are very difficult to machine. At the same time, the materials currently used to make cutting tools are becoming scarce and expensive. For this reason, alternative materials with similar or improved performance are being investigated. In this study, a ceramic material known as beta-cylon, which is silicon aluminum oxide nitrogen, was developed and optimized for use in cutting tools. Different compositions of this material were prepared by adjusting its chemical structure, and the samples were produced using an advanced sintering technique. The effect of key manufacturing conditions such as temperature, heating rate, and materials composition were systematically studied using a statistical design approach. The produced samples were tested for important properties, including strength, hardness, wear resistance, and thermal performance. A predictive model was also developed and validated to identify the best combination of processing conditions. It was found that the performance of beta-cylon can be significantly improved by carefully controlling its composition and processing parameters. Under optimal conditions, the material achieved high density, excellent hardness, good resistance to cracking, low wear, and suitable thermal conductivity. Overall, in this study, it was demonstrated that beta-cylon as an advanced tooling material is promising alternative materials to make cutting tools used in machining difficult to cut materials such as titanium. This work provides a pathway for developing more durable and cost-effective tooling solutions for advanced manufacturing applications. Thank you. Isaac Lahabadila. Madam Vice Chancellor, I hereby request that you confer the diplomas and degrees in absentia on those students whose names appear in the program but could not be present today.
I hereby do confer the diplomas and the graduates whose names appear on the program but could not be present at this congregation.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I thank you.
City and Bindi Sotini. Sabela, uya bizwa.
Thank you, VUT Choir, for demonstrating a spirit of excellence this afternoon. On behalf of the Council, Senate, Executive Management Committee, Executive Deans, Head of Departments, academics, administrative staff, Convocation, Institutional Forum, Student Representative Council, esteemed graduates, distinguished guests, faculty members, families, and friends, good afternoon. Dimasiari. Shane. Allow me to start by acknowledging our council members present here today. I'd like to start by acknowledging the chair of Ethics and Social Committee, that's Ms. Dilosotle. I would also like to welcome the President of Convocation and the Council member, Mr. Sangweni. So today, we gather not only to celebrate an academic milestone, but to honor a journey of perseverance, discipline, and hope. Graduation is never merely the conclusion of one study, but it is the beginning of responsibility. It is a moment when knowledge meets the world, and it must prove its worth. To the class of 2026, is there a class of 2026 here? Mechanical engineers, to the class of 2026. You arrive at this stage at a defining moment in the history of the Vaal University of Technology. In June this year, 2026, the university celebrates its Diamond Jubilee, making 60 years of academic excellence, innovation, and service to society. Your cohort, therefore, holds a special place in this historic journey. You are the Jubilee graduates, the generation that steps forward as the university marks 66 decades of shaping talent and transforming lives. Across those 6 decades, thousands have walked these halls before you. Engineers who design bridges and factories, technologists like yourself who powers industries, educators, entrepreneurs, and innovators who shape communities across South Africa and beyond. Today, you join that lineage. You become part of the living legacy of the university. Your achievement is not yours alone. Behind every graduate stands a constellation of support from parents who sacrificed, families who encouraged, teachers who guided and who reprimanded and challenged, friends who walked the journey with you. Today, we honor them as well because their belief in you has helped shape you to come to this moment. Yet graduation does not only take place in isolation from the realities of the world around us. South Africa continues to face profound challenges. Unemployment remains high. Poverty still shadows many communities. Inequalities continue to test the promise of our democracy. These are not abstract statistics. They are lived realities that call for courage, innovation, and leadership. But history teaches us that societies are not challenged not only by policies and institutions. They are challenged by people like yourself who refuses to accept that things must remain as they are. At VUT, you are prepared precisely for such a moment. You are trained not simply to memorize the knowledge, but to apply it, to question, to design, to build, to solve problems that matters. Whether you enter laboratories, boardrooms, classrooms, factories, or you start your own business, the education you receive here equips you to turn ideas into impact. The world you enter is one of profound transformation. Technology is reshaping industry. Artificial intelligence is defining the nature of work. Sustainability and responsible innovation are becoming central of the future of our planet. In such a world, your qualifications are not merely credentials, they are instruments of change. As the university walks the road to 16, we reflect not only on where we have come from, but on where we must go. A jubilee is not simply a celebration of the past years. It is a moment of renewal, a reaffirmation of purpose. For VUT, that purpose remains clear: to produce graduates who are builders of society, creators of opportunities, and custodians of ethical leadership. You, the class of 2026, embody that mission. You are engineers who will design smart cities and resilient infrastructure. You are the technologists who will build the industries of the future. You are the innovators who will create businesses that generate employment. You are the thinkers who will change complacency and inspire progress. In years to come, when the history of this Diamond Jubilee is told, your generation will be remembered as the graduate who stepped forward at a decisive moment. The generation that carried 60 years of legacy and transformed into possibility. So walk into the world with confidence. Let curiosity guide you. Let integrity define you. Let service to society remain your compass. May you build boldly. May you lead with courage. And may the knowledge you carry from this university illuminate the path ahead. Congratulations, class of 2026. The future now calls your name. Ladies and gentlemen, by the virtue of powers vested in me as the Vice Chancellor and Principal, I now dissolve the congregation of the Vaal University of Technology.
Sana Marena, Sana Marena, Sana Marena, Kuboya Tundo, Sana Marena, Sana Marena, Sana Marena, Sana Marena, Kuboya Tundo, Sana Marena, Sana Marena.
are back again. We are back. Welcome back to our streaming. Do catch us on all social media platforms. Session 2 of the VUT graduations, autumn graduations, second session. We have wrapped up on the first one at 9, and this is our second one. We are finishing off. We started off the second session at 1 p.m. And oh my gosh, what a moment in time we have witnessed, the professionals. We saw doctors, we saw deans walk out from the Desmond Tutu Hall. Such a moment, guys. If you are here or if you have witnessed the awesomeness that comes with celebrating the milestones, you will know how it feels like to be me. Oh my gosh, we heard the song Bare Kobo Ke a Thuto, so that's what we're saying. And in the beginning, or at the beginning of our day in the morning, we did say, as I was entering into the hall, we said education is the passport for the future. So that's why you and I are here. Session 2 of the VUT graduations, the 60th generation of the graduates. That's who we are celebrating this afternoon. And with that being said, I am very honored to be sitting here. And you might be like, why am I honored? I'm honored because right next to me on my right, I am sitting with a very honorable person, right? To be here, to be seated here, witnessing the success, witnessing the victory is something else, guys. The red regalia, guys, is something else. One day I hope to be in this very shoes. And I'm honored because we are into celebrating our graduates within the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. And we are going to be talking to Dr. Sozinado, and we will be sharing these moments together. We are into our second session, and we are getting into our reactions just to get a look and feel, and just look into witnessing how our graduates are feeling. So, good afternoon, Doctor.
Okay, good afternoon. Thank you to have me.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very great. I'm feeling healthy. I'm feeling wonderful.
How does it feel to be called by that title, Doctor?
You see, I think it's a privilege for you to be called as a doctor. Remember that the doctor is just not a name, it's a title.
Yes.
You see, and then it's a title that is attached to me, and then I'm very happy today.
Oh my. Super excited to be having this talk with you. And like I said, you have done an outstanding job. You are here, so we celebrate you also within this milestone. So I would like for you to tell us and take us through your journey of where it began for you. Before you are this doctor, where did it begin for you? Just in summary.
Okay, actually what happened is very, very, very interesting, Johnny. You see, this passion of engineering actually started when I did my matric qualification in Angola. And what happened, first of all, I wanted to do electrical engineering.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but unfortunately, when I did my application, I was accepted in mechanical. But I had that mentality that, okay, I can just start doing with mechanical, but I'm going to change to electrical. But when I started doing mechanical, I just fell in love with mechanical. It was just like wonderful. Yeah, and after that, I came to South Africa. And remember since I wanted to do electrical, I came to South Africa, and then I remember that one friend of mine, he told me that at VUT, they offer electromechanical.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I came here, he brought me to VUT, but when I came here for the first time, I realized it's very far. It was very, very far.
Very far from
Yeah, because I used to
from.
stay in Pretoria.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and then I came here, and what happened, when I got here, unfortunately, the course was full.
Oh my gosh, I
Yeah,
can
the course
only
was
imagine.
full. But likely, they have admitted me on intro. Intro said, there's no problem. The thing I wanted just to start, you see?
Yes.
Yeah, and then I start doing my intro. And once I finish my intro, I start doing my national diploma here at VUT. Once I finished my national diploma, I did my BTech.
Yes.
Still in mechanical. But when I did my national diploma was national diploma in electromechanical, because that time VUT used to offer electromechanical as a field. Yes. After that, I did my BTech. After BTech, I did my master. When I started doing my master, where I got passionate with research. Yeah, and from there, I said, no, I cannot stop.
Oh, yeah. So there you have it. He just kept on going. But happy, even with the studying, it's a long journey. Even if you can be 20, you can be 40, you can still continue to be in this journey. And just give us a brief description, 1 sentence, 2 sentence of your thesis.
Okay, good. You see, actually, my thesis, what we are trying to do, we are trying to develop a model.
Yes.
It's a model of a butterfly valve. Actually, it's one of the systems that normally we see in South Africa, especially on run water, is a for water distribution system. And what we are trying to do, there's a lack of understand on because most of the system they use, we call it finite element analysis and the CFD. But there was no analytical model that can interact. You see, when a system is vibrating, you see when there's a machine working like pumps, turbines, and then what we're trying to develop a model that can start and integrate this system.
Thank you so much. And could you give us 1 word to describe this moment? 1 word. Can you give us 1 word to describe this very moment? 1 word.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Amazing.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Dr. Sozinando. And we wish you nothing but the best of the best.
It's a pleasure.
And guys, like I have been saying, we are getting into different conversations and we're carrying on with our conversations. So this is the atmosphere. There's a lot of commotion. People have stepped outside from the hall. So a lot of things are indeed happening. It's good to be here. It's good to be here, guys. If you had to be here or if you are here, you will know what it is I am talking about. What a moment. What a moment indeed. Oh my gosh, I'm hearing, chanting. I'm hearing people singing outside. I'm seeing the faces of, our parents, guys. What a time to be alive, like they say. What a time to be alive. So to all the graduates, this is your success story. This is where it begins for you. And guys, you know how we do it. We keep on conversating with all our graduates right here at the autumn 2026 graduations. It's the 2nd session. We are looking at the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. And oh my gosh, I think this is a proud moment. This is a super proud moment. Now we're talking about, graduates who do excel, who do an exceptional job. And at this moment, we will be talking to Tabisang Sylvester Lekalakala. Yes, we are talking to a cum laude student right now, actually graduate, might I say. So I am just welcoming him here, and let's see. Okay, with that being said, let's get into it. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much for having me.
Oh man, what a moment. What a moment for you. Take us through your journey being a graduate, excelling in your cum laude. Like, take us through this field of engineering in mechanical engineering.
Like you said, what a moment. I think when one registers this day is the day that we always look forward to. The journey has had a lot of ups and downs, to be honest. There were a lot of challenges. There were a lot of moments where one wants to give up. I think I've had a lot of conversations with myself, like, do I really want to go through this? Because it's really hectic, but I always believe that anything that is difficult to get through is always the best thing.
It's worthy. It's worthy of getting.
Exactly. So I think that kept me going, and I always knew that had I given up, I would have regretted it for the rest of my life. So that's what really kept me pushing.
Yes.
I think that's why we're here, and I'm very excited, to be honest. But at the same time, I'm like, but it's a lot of emotions, but I'm very excited.
Yeah, I'm hearing that you are filled with emotions, but at the same time, you are excited, and it's just a beautiful moment for you. And could you just tell us what was your thesis about?
All right, so mine was on ball bearings. It's titled Ball Bearing Localization on the Outer Race using vibration analysis. The doctor that was here...
Oh, he touched base on it,
yeah, right? He was my course supervisor.
All right.
And he's always been a mentor to me since the day I stepped in here. So That's what my studies is about. So basically what's happening is, I'll just try to be a little bit brief, but
Yes.
what I was doing is when you have a fault on a bearing, it creates a vibration, basic peaks. So there's a lot of studies that's been done on bearings and using vibration. But mine was, if we have a fault on the outer race, which is
Yes.
stationary, how then do we locate? Hence the term localization. So that's what I was working on. I was basically analyzing the vibration to try and predict the location or angular location of a defect that would appear on the outer race of a ball bearing. So we used a number of methods. We used Hertzian contact theory, which works under elastic deformation. We used the horizontal vertical synchronization of both sides, and we used the prime impact direction, and eventually we were able to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much what my study is about. I've published one article. There's one that's still coming, and yeah, I think 2 from it. Actually, I feel like now I want to do another one, because there's still a lot that I can still publish from the dissertation.
What a well-read person I'm talking to, well-informed and a scholar, an exceller. We're talking about the real problem solvers of our modern era, right? We're looking for problem solvers, we're looking for innovators, and that's who we are talking to. So to Mr. Lekalakala Thabisang Sylvester, may you continue to just do everything that it is you are doing, and also thank you for also touching bases on the importance of support and of course a mentorship. And if you had to describe this moment in one word, what would you say? One word, just to end it off.
I think one word for this moment.
Yes.
I think it's a very memorable moment. I think I'll forever cherish this moment. Yeah, I think that's what I think. It's a highlight of I don't know, but I think it's a very memorable moment for me.
Thank you so much. And there you have it, guys. We have been getting into our session 2 reactions, taking you through all these moments that you and I are having. The commotion outside, guys, the different faces. I'm seeing siblings, I'm seeing young children doing their thing. The support is just something else. And I want you to also remember that, guys, that we said education is the key. Education is certainly the key. So let us actually continue to do this. It is the VUT 2026 graduation second session, April the 16th. So we were still doing our thing together. And guys, like we said, the future starts with you, actually. The future starts with you. The next generation of researchers, problem solvers, initiators, and the creators of your own employment. Oh my gosh, I'm hearing parents send out and say their clan names, It's within the support and unity that you and I get to be here, to the families, to the graduates, to the professors, to the deans, everyone who is involved within this very moment. We are saying yes to you as we continue to do our thing together. And I think this is going to be one of our conversations again. And for now, we are talking to our, postgraduates, cum laude as well. Guys, we're talking about excellence and excellence only. We're talking about excellence, people who go beyond. I mean, 75% and above is a big deal because there's research involved. There's a whole lot of things. There are a lot of, there's pieces that is involved. And here we have people who are here to do their very best. So I want us to talk to Malumba Aaron Ntambo. He is here, and we are just here to take us through this moment together. How do you feel about this moment, Mr.? How do you feel? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so well excited. It was a long journey, the journey leaving the homeland and coming here for education is one of the big steps and great decision that the family and the parent they trusted me to be
Yes.
this side. And I'm so grateful that the South African land has been fruitful to me in terms of education, and I've acquired the intellectual maturity that I kept on dreaming since I was young.
Yes.
And I keep on continuing. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. I keep on pushing, finish all the degrees. If there is another level 11 on the NQ, if they can edit for me, I don't mind. Yes.
Yeah, loving that. And I like the fact that you highlighted something important. You highlighted family. And for these graduation, it's not only just about you. We also saying it's a victory for families as well. So this is that moment for you. And with that being said, sir, let us, take this time to tell us about your journey and what have been. Just tell us about your journey. What have been some of your highlights? We're talking about your journey. What has been some of your highlights, your challenges within this, faculty for you, within your educational journey? What has been one of your highlights? Your highlights?
My highlights? One of my biggest highlights is to see the sacrifice that parent made for me to study abroad.
Yes.
In a foreign land, and then to see achieving that is one of the biggest and major highlight for me. You see, so you see, landing in a foreign land, you have first the language barrier from a French country to an English country. That shift, it's quite a bit disturbing on the system or on the adaptation level. But I had to break that barrier and then to reach to another level to where I am. I think it has been a sequence of a light for me, from first year till here, my postgraduate diploma in mechanical engineering. Yeah.
And once again, congratulations. And as we wrap up, where do you see the future of mechanical engineering?
Well, I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, after my master's, I'm going to have to shift to another career path. I will embrace politics.
Politics, okay.
Yeah, I had a qualification in politics because, as a youth, looking at the leadership of African countries, it's so painful to see the reality of my home country.
Oh, yes.
And
where are you from, by the way?
I'm from DRC, Congo.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I'm from DRC. And then I've just made that decision right after my master's in mechanical engineering. I'm going to pursue another career in political science. I would like to bring a change also to my nation.
Oh, yes, with all that's currently happening in your own home country, right? That's so awesome. Love that. And yeah, man, congratulations once again. I feel like the future is in safe hands if you are going to be the future leader of a political, something one day. Thank you so much for coming to join us. And with that being said, guys, we still, going through the reactions. We're still going through celebrating all these moments together, you and I. And like I said, Lebogang Dolo here, and we're just maneuvering. Maybe we're going to go out there to get more reactions. Maybe we'll even be switching from, our streaming right here on YouTube. Maybe we are about to transition again to our YouTube. So for the YouTube streaming, we're ending it here. We're about to transition to our TikTok. So yeah, guys, we're still doing our thing. So let us see.